and USA, that's probably the first one they've ever took apart. Tell me I'm wrong.
Yeah, that might be the first one they
Yeah.
took apart.
They-
But I don't
they
know why they're telling you that they don't think yours infringes when they literally admitted to me that yesterday or 2 days ago that they have never taken it apart. They showed this, you know, it's the 3-phase for the, it had the same thing on theirs. And then they showed how this thing over here, how the emergency brake or is that the emergency brake there or is it somewhere else?
The parking brake?
Yeah. I got a good video of that. I think I sent it to you already. But keep on going here. We got these. I see how they're working. And this is the just to be clear, this thing right here, that's what we're talking about when we're saying there's a clutch assembly between the two flywheels.
So let me show you. So this side of the case shows.
Okay, let me come down there. Which one are you showing me now? This is
So for our discussion, the 710, 610, 810, they're all the same.
okay.
They're just a little bit different size. So we can use, you know, the other case to show.
Okay.
So here's the parking pawl.
Here's the parking pawl. Where? Kind of point to it again.
So the actual pawl is the thing with the grooves and indentions over there. But the motor, actuator motor,
Uh huh.
right there.
Right here. Okay. On the outside.
Mhm.
And it comes to the inside. And then quickly come down here and you can see on
Here's a better view of it. Actually, here's a better
here
view.
on the 610.
There's the motor right there.
Okay, and that's on the
That
610.
actually has the motor on it. That's just where it was over there. That
Okay,
just-
and then that connects to this thing here you got labeled P610.
Okay, so yeah, let me just tell you,
Mhm.
it actually goes right here.
Okay.
But the only thing that holds it in is a dowel pin.
Okay.
So in order to put a bolt in and move it to this hole, I got to do it in the same function.
Okay, so you hold on, let's explain that now. You moving stuff. You gotta explain that. So this originally doesn't go here?
It just goes right there.
Okay, so you
Here.
moved it just because you didn't want to lose it?
Well, I just did it in one of them. This one right here is actually the pin.
Okay, great.
See, it can come out.
Okay, but
So-
it's magnetic.
Well, since I'm rotating it, I want it bolted down.
Yeah, you don't want it flying off
Right.
on you.
So, but I've got it doing the same function.
I see, because in the video,
Yeah.
you spin this one up, I believe, with a screwdriver to show all the torque that you're
You're right.
producing. Okay, that makes sense to me. And you don't want to lose it, so you bolted it down. You definitely don't want it spinning,
Yeah.
attaching to the moving parts.
Yeah, it's just a little pin there, so I felt more secure with the bolt from this pin.
Okay, now,
So what it would do is it would lock right here. Okay, so this can still spin, you see?
even with it locked.
Even with it locked. So this can spin, 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 let it go. Then,
Ah,
but what you do, what it would do is,
Lock.
let me get, okay, this is.
yeah, get it going here. And
This is,
you're spinning it.
this is forward direction.
Okay.
Let me just get my basis, okay.
Which one's MG1, MG2?
Okay, MG1's a small one,
Okay,
but I labeled it flywheel rotor because that's what it is.
okay, and then what's this other one labeled? Flywheel rotor
And
for MG2. Okay, I see it now. Okay, go ahead. You were telling me about the brake or the clutch,
yeah, so,
the pawl.
right, so if we spin this is like the drive shaft, okay?
Okay,
I mean the input shaft. Okay, so if we're turning it, that's the way it goes. Because it's, yeah, making sure I'm going at the engine speed. Okay, so it's turning. Then if that clutch comes off,
okay.
then this force can be transferred into the MG2.
Now, not to make a joke, but your paw got in the way. So show that again, like, or have it spin.
Let's
and
look at
then,
the 16 we
Well,
got.
no, let's use this one because I want to see you put the emergency paw in place and
Okay.
see how one spins and one doesn't. If
Right.
that's true.
It is, yeah, it definitely is.
So you got that
Okay,
locked down.
Got it locked down. Wait, hold on.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's stopped.
That stopped,
Okay, got it.
but this one will spin.
Okay, that helps with the transition and the smoothness.
Well, you can ramp this one up to a high RPM.
How high?
Well, I mean,
You know, what are you seeing in the specs?
well, if the engine is rotating at 3,000 RPM, then this is going to be, let's see, it's a 3.6 to 1. So 3,000, 9,000, 10,800, right? If my math is right. So if it is operating at 3,000, which, so it can spin this up. You know, it can also get there electrically. It'll take a while ramping the frequency up like that. But
Okay.
but what would happen is this could ramp up to a high RPM, and it can generate and charge the battery. It can also send energy electrically to MV2, but it transfers its kinetic energy
Okay.
to MV2.